Yes.
I have the office report from last time, on 12th January.
Yes, there has been.
Lord, this is whether we are the DLED qualified and whether.
As far as our memory goes, request was made to qualify the stay.
Correct.
With regard to persons who are not covered.
Correct.
Is it same?
We are
merit list.
We are actually of the 20 to 22 academic session. The 20 to 22 academic session should have been over by July 22. Now somehow yes, the board has filed. So therefore the advertisement which was issued itself said that these people will also be considered. So therefore we are fully covered. High Court says no because the rule probably. So yes, your lordship may post it because your lordships have.
Only one thing I want to point out, Millard. One thing, Millard, I appear for the board. Millard, there are vacancies far in excess, Millard, of this batch.
That is why we remember that.
Yes. It is given in the.
My friend should make a very happy statement that everybody can be accommodated and then.
If they succeed, Millard, there will be no problem in accommodation.
That's the case also.
But I think he is making out some point that whatever is in the undisputed realm.
Yes.
Let that be gone.
Your lordship,
Your interest is protected because more than vacancies. Fair enough.
So, but if the High Court judgment is not stayed, then we will not be considered. We will be out.
Malak sir will hear you, but your interest is protected. No.
Yes.
Number of
You are clean now.
Your lordship.
May I suggest let the merit list be published.
Merit list be published.
But the appointment orders, they can see who was qualified and then yes.
Yes,
Then let them make a
merit list of all the candidates, including the petitioners.
let the merit list be then published by considering us also.
Passed by us from staying here.
That is the order dated 28th July 2023.
28th of July.
The position on the merit list will get affected, so
Correct.
it's important that the merit list comes out first and thereafter anything.
That can be clarified in the final judgment with regard to interest seniority, but places are there to you. All will not be defeated. At least somebody who is totally outside, I could take him.
All those who met the qualifications,
They should be kept away.
which was advertised qualification.
Some need features.
Your lordship may say, then let the merit be finalized after considering us also. And let yes.
We are
Question of
considering you.
interest
We are
seniority would be
considering
left as subject to result of this.
It is subject to the outcome of.
No, but then what will happen? Just 1 minute. What will happen
People will step
is
down.
1 minute. If what will happen is that the number of posts which were advertised are limited. 11.
No,
Are limited.
we are seeing the chart.
Give us a detail.
Yes. So
Yes.
if all others are appointed, there will be no vacancy left for us.
Let's ask.
Let them tell us how many of us are there.
Tell us please, what is the number?
Yes, how many of us are
Who
there?
are similarly placed with quality
Yes, Millard.
clients, so that we know, and this is the number of vacancies available. Even after you fill up the other vacancies, there will be vacancies available to accommodate all.
Yes, because there are a lot of retirements and all in the meantime.
Yeah,
This is a list of.
Give us a figure so that we are
Millard, there are, Millard, 3069, Millard, is the total number.
1 minute, 3069,
Right.
subject matter of advertisement.
Let them put them on an affidavit.
Subject matter of advertisement. or post advertisement.
Based on, Millard, their qualification.
Not in
No, please.
No.
The
Subject
problem-
matter of advertisement, how many vacancies?
one of the problem is, let them file an affidavit, the board there keeps on changing every 3 weeks. The chairman changes. Today's chairman is making the statement.
That's a completely unnecessary statement.
Affidavit, when is the affidavit?
May I make a humble appeal?
Where is
Next
the
matter.
affidavit?
Millard, this is an affidavit of 14th August.
Which item?
14th August.
46.
Item August. No, item number
Item
46, 46.1.
Item 46. Yes, and item 46, yes.
Page, PDF page, it's 1080 pages, gentlemen.
No, Millard, this is an additional affidavit dated.
You don't know what happened. PDF,
Counter.
turn to it. Give us a PDF page.
Counter affidavit 14th of August 2023.
That doesn't help us, you know that.
Yes, you're right.
May I suggest this, my lords?
Yes.
Let them publish the list and also file an affidavit before the court.
They say they filed a affidavit already. That's
No, explaining the vacancy position.
Correct.
Without
also,
which we will not be able to proceed.
That's
I also,
That's
agree.
right.
I also agree.
No, let us see if it is not there, then we can call for it.
Mediation, that affidavit will not have the
There
current
is an
vacancy
application up to
situation.
around 25 September.
Vacancies 11,750.
Is it a counter affidavit filed by you on?
14th August.
Just let me know.
Oh, I wish you knew what the date was. As usual, council will file an affidavit without giving anything on the date.
Standard practice.
Put our hands up.
Your ladyship, in
Who do
any
that?
case,
Put our hands up. Simple as that. What's very frequent?
I'm so sorry, madam.
your ladyship, in any case, this is not the current
Maybe
vacancy
so, just tell
position.
me the number now.
There is no current vacancy position.
We go by the
That's
advertisement.
for the
You have to go by the advertisement.
Tell me how much there was one district.
Well, it's
2023.
14/8.
Is it an affidavit or Dr. Karnataka?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so that's correct.
So see me at para 11 first, 15, sorry.
Madam?
Para 15 at page 14. Initially, the notification
Just a
said,
moment, please. Yes, we're looking. Yeah. Yes, Madam, initially.
initially the vacancy was not declared, but the actual vacancy came to be declared by memo dated so and so notifying 11,675 vacancies. 765, 11,765.
11,765
Is vacancies only
are the subject matter of the subject advertisement.
of the advertisement. Correct.
Okay, then,
It has been so declared, my lord, by a memo.
But your
okay,
ladyship,
how many? Then we are.
Unless they publish the merit list, they will not know how many qualified.
para
That the
7.
total number who applied was 3069 only.
If your lordship reads,
On this batch.
if your lordship reads para 18 onwards,
Para 20. Alright, I'll place para 18 on.
read para 18 onwards.
Further, on 11th of August, this honorable court has passed an authoritative pronouncement in Devesh Sharma, wherein decision of Rajasthan High
Please
Court.
don't read this, come to the.
Para
Yes,
19.
para 19. It is estimated that consequently around 73434 or more or less persons have been appointed since the date of issuance of notification in this regard, being trained candidates. will be
Outwardly appointed, out of
Yes.
11,000.
No.
What are you reading? 7434 have been appointed?
No.
19 relates
Not
to 18.
pursuant to this advertisement.
19,
Why are we reading this, please?
my lord, 19,
Please, maybe request.
Will at the total,
File an affidavit, don't make.
will at total number, will at the total number of applications is 3069.
So you please file an affidavit.
Please.
Will it, all right, will it, I'll do that, but para 20 is the relevant paragraph. It is
That
stated that the
doesn't,
deponent has
take
done a
into account the current vacancies, your ladyship will find
No,
in
no,
para
correct
7.
to that extent that only 3,069 applied, so it
Yes.
will go beyond that.
So my lords,
No, no.
if
3,069 vacancies are
Incorrect.
protected for us, that is
Not
our
3,000.
number.
Should have been predicted.
Tell us how many are approved by that.
Because that's.
that is us.
6,900.
3069 are us.
is
Okay.
only that.
Para 20 makes
This
it
is
clear,
us.
just one
This
minute.
is us.
It is stated deponent has done a study based on available record.
How many do you propose to recruit?
11,000 plus.
We can recruit up to 11,765. It's possible.
There are more vacancies.
Para 70.
Eight.
1 minute.
May I-
There's a merit list now. How do we know this?
Well, let them file an affidavit.
I agree, my lord. Let
The up-to-date, with the up-to-date position of vacancies.
This is the
It
merit
No,
list.
we're not up to.
File an
was
affidavit.
there and what is
The
there today?
respondent number, what were you very?
State of West Bengal.
At the relevant point of time, for what happened,
State of.
Each are batches, yes.
Shall file an affidavit furnishing inter alia the details of the number of vacancies that were advertised for the subject post, comma, the number of candidates who had applied, comma, the number of petitioners who have approached this court, you will have to give us some details.
We'll give
Fortunately,
that.
define it according to qualification.
On a plea that they are qualified from the 2020-2022 D stop, E stop, I stop, ED session, right?
Your lordship,
GLED.
DLED.
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 DE, no.
Diploma in
DL at
elementary education.
What you've written is DEID.
That is it.
No, no.
Read it as L, it's an error.
I'm sorry.
DED.
DL-Ed.
DLED is Milord, Diploma in Elementary Education.
Like D-Ed, it is DL-Ed.
LD session, right?
L-Ed, elementary education.
Milord, we'll ensure that the order
Mine,
is
elementary
correct.
education.
Lady, it is simple.
DED dash D
L,
L.
Full stop EL, full stop ED, full
No, no, it is DELED.
Yes, yes.
Only
Diploma,
D stop.
elementary education, EL.
Elementary is EL,
Yes, yes.
ED is education.
Error by your colleague is everywhere L is typed as I. That's the problem. ELED course. Would that suffice?
Well, it's those who stand qualified in terms of the impugned order.
But for that, the list will have to be.
That's right, Mals. You are
No, but let them
direct them to
close that.
publish the list and
And
tell
No,
you.
no, no,
about-
let the merit list of all be considered.
like under,
They need not be delayed. Mals.
So that how much you propose to recruit, that also has to be-
Correct, correct.
But let them publish the list without issuing appointment orders.
Yes, yes.
It is a proposal only.
Yes, yes.
And we'll also say that that list is only for the purposes of satisfying.
That's
The
right.
Lordship will say draft.
It will not create any right in anybody.
The Lordship will say.
That's all. It's a draft.
and it
Let's publish the list without issuing appointment orders.
It's for the purpose of this court, not for the purpose of appointment.
And then you show how much you propose out of that so that we can have a discussion.
Initially,
Yes,
the respondent state government is directed to prepare a draft list.
Board.
Board
Primary
will
education.
prepare a draft list for the perusal of this court
Lordship.
and thereafter undertake, file an affidavit furnishing details of, as we have said.
Lordship.
And the third category, one is number of vacancies, the other is number of
and the
candidates who
qualification
are
process.
assessed, those who according to the board qualified, and those who do not qualify for the and the reasons for their faults.
Lordship.
Some idea we have.
Your Lordship will
Right?
get.
How much time?
Milord, we are in some urgency, Milord.
All right, do it overnight,
Do it,
48
yeah.
hours, put it next Monday.
Want tomorrow we can have
We'll
it.
put it next Monday.
Yes, next month.
All right, just next Monday.
Obliged.
People shall be done
I
with
do
160
60
copies. They are-
I
Copies.
Your lordships will have to issue notice.
No,
to
no,
the advocate.
It's the same.
Yes, it's the same, and the petitioner.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
And they are not.
And the petitioner have
Well, let the matter come up.
But it's not
actually on
complicated.
that
No
side.
matter will also be covered. They gave an entire list.
Come up
Let
with
us not
that.
unless.
Therefore, let the notice
Complicated.
that the
But
formality.
if the cause of action is the same, it will be covered.
State list along with.
If it is not, then
We can't-
No, no, that is a document.
Matters.